Tire tread is crucial for your safety on the road, affecting how well your car grips, especially in wet conditions. As tread wears down, your risk of slipping or hydroplaning increases. So, when is it time to replace your tires? A simple way to check is the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread groove with Lincoln's head upside down. If you can see all of Lincoln's head, your tread depth is less than 30/32 of an inch, and it's time for new tires. Also, look out for uneven wear or any visible damage like cuts or bulges. Remember, well-maintained tires mean a safer ride for you and your passengers. Don't wait until it's too late. Check your tires regularly and replace them when needed. Your safety on the road is worth the investment. Stay safe and keep rolling smoothly. From all of us at Killeen Auto Brokers, we're here to help keep you and your vehicle safe on the road.